Hello class, a very pleasant morning to all of you. Today, I Richa Parekh from St. Thomas High School Mahua am here to further continue with the subject of English for the students of class 5th. My dear students, today we are going to revise how to write short paragraph. We are going to study the short paragraph on trees and the short paragraph on my favorite scientist. So let's start with the trees. What do the trees provide us with? Keep the environment clean, bring rain, prevent soil erosion, and preserve the soil fertility, shelter for birds and animals. So here we have to write the paragraph on the basis of the points which are given here. So let's see the paragraph. Trees are man's best friend. They give us food, medicines, rubber, tea, coffee, spices and gum. Trees provide us with the wood for fuel, furniture, building houses and other requirements. Cotton and jute are also obtained from trees. Paper is also made from wood pulp. So here, what does trees provide us? First of all, we all know that trees are man's best friend. Trees gives us various kind of commodities which we use in our day-to-day life. They provide us food, medicines, rubber, tea, coffee, spices and gum. They also provide us wood which is used as a fuel for furniture, for making houses and also the other basic necessities. Cotton and jute are also obtained from trees. From cotton and jute we can prepare clothes. Paper is also made. The paper on which we write is also made from wooden pulp. Trees helps us to keep the environment clean and pure. They take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. Trees help to retain the humidity in the atmosphere and thus attract rain clouds, leading to a good rainfall. So how does a tree keep our environment clean and pure? The trees, while the process of photosynthesis, they take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen, which helps the humans to obtain a good level of oxygen. They helps us to retain the humidity. If just imagine, if the trees won't be there, then the atmosphere on the earth will be very high. So hence, in order to retain the humidity, that means in order to have the cold atmosphere, we have to plant more trees, and thus with the help of trees the rain clouds are attracted and hence we can get a good amount of rainfall. Roots of the trees protect the soil from the strong winds and flowing water of rain. They help in preventing soil erosion. Trees preserve the fertility of soil. Trees provide us with the shelter. Provides us with shelter. They are the homes of birds and animals. It is very important to prevent the felling of trees. If we cut trees, our existence will be in danger. Land will turn into a desert and we will deprive of our basic necessities like pure air, water, food, clothing and shelter. Save trees and trees will save us. So here, trees provide us with the shelter. They give shelter to many people. They are also the home of birds and animals. So if the trees are falling, we must try to prevent it. We must not cut trees, because if we cut trees, our existence will be in danger. The land will start turning into desert and hence we won't be able to get our basic necessities such as air, water, food, clothing, etc. So we need to save trees, as trees will save us. Let's see the short paragraph on my favorite scientist. My favorite scientist is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He is an aerospace scientist, an author and a professor. He was born in Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu on 15th October 1931. His father was a boat owner and his mother was a housewife. Since he came from a poor family, he would distribute newspaper to help his family. So here we are going to study about my favorite scientist, that is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. You must have heard his name. He was born in Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu. His father was a boat owner and his mother was a housewife. He used to distribute the papers in order to meet his family needs. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam studied in St. Joseph College in Tiruchirappalli and Madras Institute of Technology. He studied aerospace engineering. Dr. Kalam worked as an aerospace scientist with DRDO, that is Defense Research and Development Organization, and ISRO, that is Indian Space Research Organization. He is also known as the Missile Man of India. He worked on the development of missile and launch vehicle technology. He played an important role in Pokhran 2 nuclear test in 1998. So, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who was an aerospace scientist, worked with DRDO and ISRO. He was known as the Missile Man because he worked on the development of missiles, and he played a very important role in the nuclear test which was conducted in India. He has been awarded with Bharat Ratna, Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan. He was the 11th President of India from 25th July 2002 to 25th July 2007. So, my dear students, here we are at the end of today's video. In the very next class, we will further continue with the revision of other things. So, today, as a part of your homework, write both of this in your CW book and study the same. Thank you and have a nice day.